presence of little amounts of fat in the liver is not a problem at all. But if the fat is accumulating, then the normal level you should pay your attention in order to get rid of it. Sedentary lifestyle, lack of physical activity and frequent consumption of foods rich in fats are the major reasons for increasing rates of fatty liver disease in today's world. Other than those without heavy alcohol consumption, risk of accumulating fat has increased due to those inappropriate food habits. The ultimate complication of fatty liver disease is cirrhosis, but luckily, this disease progression is reversible at early stages. There are a lot of powerful food items in this world that we can use for removing fat in the liver. Number 1. Garlic. You may have heard that garlic is an excellent food that reducing cholesterol levels in the body. By burning deposited cholesterol in the body, it helps to burn deposited fat in the liver. Powerful antioxidant present in the garlic is called as allicin, and it helps to break down a lot of toxins responsible for liver damage. So having more garlic with your meals helps your liver to reduce its workload on breakdown of harmful toxins. In addition to that, garlic also contains high amounts of selenium. Selenium is a trace element for human body, but continuous supply of selenium is essential for the proper function of liver. You can chop garlic and add them into your regular meals, or can be also prepared as a separate curry. You can also have garlic containing boiled water for obtaining the maximum nutrients out of garlic. However, in order to get maximum benefit, frying of garlic in oil is not recommended. Number 2. Green tea. Green tea is popular worldwide for reduction of weight and tummy. Green tea can stimulate proper metabolic pathways in our body. Polyphenolics and flavonoids containing in green tea helps liver to burn deposited fat. In addition to that, green tea helps to break down toxins by the liver. After the uptake of toxins into liver cells, they are destroyed due to the enzymes and other secretions producing by the liver. Accumulation of those toxins in higher concentrations is the major cause for liver to become less functioning. Polyphenolics and flavonoids in the green tea can directly destroy some kind of toxins even before they enter into liver. In this way, green tea helps our liver to reduce its workload. When the workload is reduced, fat doesn't tend to retain in the liver and they are easily metabolized by liver. We can clearly observe lower rates of liver disease in the populations who consume green tea frequently. Number 3. Mung beans. Mung beans are a source of food which contains complex carbohydrates and dietary fibers. It takes higher duration of time for its digestion. Due to those reasons, when you consume mung beans, complex carbohydrates are less likely to be converted into fat. Risk of rise in LDL cholesterol can be effectively reduced if mung beans are consumed frequently. Mung beans also cause to have desired lipid profiles by increasing HDL cholesterol. Risk of depositing cholesterol plaques within blood vessels is minimized by higher HDL levels. Minerals present in mung beans are responsible for increasing the production of enzymes in liver which destroy toxic chemicals. Number 4. Olive oil. Heavy consumption of foods rich in simple carbohydrates such as glucose and fructose is a major cause for depositing fat in the liver, because those simple sugars can be ultimately converted into fat. In addition to those simple carbohydrates, fat deposition in liver may favored by some oils present in our foods. Especially foods prepared by oils rich in saturated fat and trans fat are responsible for that. Consumption of unsaturated oils is very important in that case. Olive oil is an ideal source for unsaturated fat-containing oils. 70% of components in olive oil is unsaturated fat. Major component in olive oil is oleic acid, which is a mono-unsaturated fatty acid. Therefore its breakdown becomes easy. Hence, if you use olive oil for preparing your meals, risk of fatty liver disease can be highly minimized. Number 5. Beetroot juice. Beetroot is a good source of vitamins, iron and other microelements essential for human body. In some countries this is prepared as a curry. However, carotenoids present in beetroot is easily destroyed by heat. Hence it is recommended to prepare as a juice instead of a curry. As beetroot naturally contains higher amounts of sugar, only water is recommended to add outside. There are a lot of scientific evidence for the effectiveness of beetroot juice for fatty liver disease. Chemicals in beetroot is responsible for increasing the production of enzymes by liver which are destroying toxins. It also stimulates metabolic pathways in our body that leads to burn excess fat in the liver. Therefore, accumulating toxins as well as fat in the liver can be minimized by consumption of beetroot juice. Number 6. Water lily rice. Water lily rice is prepared from the seeds obtaining from the matured water lily fruit. It has excellent ability to reduce fat deposition in the liver. In addition to that, it has proved benefits against diabetes mellitus and some kidney diseases. Before preparing foods from water lily rice, it is recommended to soak them in water for at least about 5 hours. For preparing porridge out of water lily rice, you can take about 50 grams of water lily rice and put them in a water container and boil it. Then you can add coconut milk or powder and little salt. You should continue boiling until added coconut milk or powder is overflowed. Number 7. Medicinal plants. There are a lot of medicinal plants used in Ayurveda and other complementary medical systems against fatty liver disease. Beneficial effects of some medicinal plants have been confirmed through scientific studies. Here we will discuss about some of those experimentally proved medicinal plants. If you are interested to study more on those medicinal plants in fatty liver disease, you can click on below links in the description. Osbeckia octandra is one of the most popular medicinal plant in Ayurveda, and lot of scientific evidences are available for its beneficial effects against fatty liver disease. Leaves of Phyllanthus debilis, Atlanticelanica and Eclipta prostata are few sources with proven activity against fat deposition in liver. You can take leaves of those medicinal plants and prepare them as edible green porridge. In addition to all those foods and herbs we discussed in the video, you should moderate alcohol consumption, avoid consumption of artificial foods such as processed meat, and should maintain your physical activity. Daily brisk walking is also an effective option you can follow for managing fat deposition in liver. Fatty liver disease may ultimately lead into cirrhosis, in which a liver transplantation may be the only available option. Hence, prevention is always better than cure. Finally, don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell for upcoming educating videos.